For me, the huge problem is my inbox in Gmail because I have like dozens of different meetings throughout the week. I have lots of updates from Jira, Confluence, some communication with clients, some reports of our users' feedbacks, etc. And I want to understand what should I do first thing in the morning on Friday, or sorry, on Monday. And I have automated a flow where this agent goes to my inbox in Gmail, parses all of the emails throughout the last 7 days, aggregates them, then sends them to any LLM. For instance, here is Gemini, it could be any LLM. With my custom prompt, where I ask to look through each and every of the email, analyze what topic it is about, specify it, summarize it, and then all of this information is sent to my inbox in a new email. I enter it and I see everything that happened throughout the last week. What should I look at first? What are the problems? What are status updates, etc., etc. So it is just one case. Another case is working with spreadsheets. I'm a fan of spreadsheets. I have like thousands of them on every and each problem, research, etc. And for instance, I have a spreadsheet where my marketing team is uploading some metrics. Every in each day, they come there, they generate some information about some traffic, conversions, etc. So what I wanted to do is to send me an update about whether everything is going smoothly, or I need to get into to understand whether there is a problem, maybe some problems with our landing page, conversion problem. That is why I generated a really simple workflow in make.com where it goes to the spreadsheet every morning, gets the updated information, aggregates it, also uses Gemini to look through this, to summarize the key findings, and then also sends it straight to my inbox. So with this kind of automations, you can do mostly anything. You can start a small business where you can collect some leads, applications from your customers, send them to your like Slack or some messenger to send automatic response. Our marketing team is using Nathan, this Nathan agent to produce dozens of content and to publish it automatically on the variety of media sources. So it can suit many different scenarios and models, and it's really easy to begin with. You don't need any technical background. And it's rather cheap.